Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are celebrating Easter and making some fluffy Easter egg pillows. And we're painting them with SoSoft paints from DecoArt, which is a terrific fabric paint. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some Easter egg pillows. SoSoft paints come in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. See you next week.